In today's video, I'll show you how to take a manual backup of your website. Log into the hosting control panel, then click your website. In the top menu, go to Backups, then click the Backup Now button. Add a note, then click the Backup Now button. Depending on how big your website is, this may take a while. The backup is complete. You can see here it has the manual tag and the note. Manual backups are useful when you have to update themes or plugins or make any changes to your website that have a destructive potential, and you need to have a backup so you can restore fast to a moment in time before you've made those changes. That's it. That's how simple it is to take a manual backup of your WordPress website.